Hello guys, Shubham here, back again in another video. So in this video we are going to review the brand new build of the Corvus ROM, that is or the Corvus OS, which is the version 4.7 with pretty dope customization features and much more, and also some small tweaks included. So without any further ado, let's get straight into this video to get full review of this ROM.
God, it's the Mad Beats.
So let's first talk about the fresh new features. Talking about the features, as you can see, we are on the Corvus OS, which is of version 4.7, having security patch of 5th of April 2020. So moving towards the features, now we have some different kind of volume panel for media, alarm, clock and ringtone. This is somewhat type of vertical blocks which represents the volume panel. So it's look pretty cool and pretty nice. Next up is about the header image. Now you can keep any type of header image the way you want and the style you want. Heading towards the settings, in the reverse lane you can navigate to the quick settings, and as you can see in the header image option, you can have a tons of header images the way you want. These are the styles which are included. Currently I have kept the Avengers one, but you can keep any type of header image you want, and also you can have your custom header image by going in the settings. So this kind of header image is kind of very impressive, and many more header images are available, so you can keep any one of it from your choice. So next is about this sound. Talking about the sound, then Mi Sound Enhancer is included for your media sound, or when you listen to music your sound gets enhanced. This is actually ported from the MIUI, that you will get a pretty dope sound with that all type of customizations of sound with equalizer and the type of input and output you want. So talking about next is the FPS information. Moving towards the FPS information, then yes, again it's very useful for gamers while gaming, that you can see every frame while gaming.
Oh my
You
God,
can also
it's the
have
Mad
the
Beats.
screen recorder, which is also a small update, which will also help gamers to record the in-game sound and to record any other application in which you want the inner sound. So talking about the camera, then yes, this mod or this ROM comes with the ANX camera mod, which is actually the MIUI camera you get in the MIUI ROM or MIUI mod. So this camera works perfectly fine. Also, you know that Poco X2 has a new vlog mode of video recording. So yes, you also get that vlog mode in this ROM. It means that this camera is completely updated to the latest version, and yes, you can use this latest ANX camera mode, or you can also say as MIUI camera in this ROM. It works pretty dope. All type of video settings and video resolutions are working perfectly fine without any issues. Next is about the gaming
Oh my
performance.
God, it's the
Talking
Mad
about the
Beats.
gaming performance, then yes, the gaming performance in this ROM is pretty dope, stable, and no lags were found while playing PUBG. You can also consider games like Asphalt 8, Call of Duty Mobile, and any other games with very high graphics. You can play easily and no lags were found, and no frame drops were also found. So yes, PUBG works super smooth in this ROM and it works perfectly fine. And for gamer, yes, as I told before that the ROM also has the FPS counter. So in case if you are kind of doubted that how much frames your game is giving or your device is counting on while playing games, then the FPS counter will sort out the work for you. You just have to enable the FPS counter from the quick settings panel, and you will get to see every frame drop or every frame which are getting counted
Oh
in
my
gaming.
God, it's the Mad mad
So
bee.
yes, it's foolproof and you will get to know that how much frame is counted without any issues. So coming up next is the battery performance. Talking about the battery performance in this ROM, then yes, the battery performance once charged 100%, it will give you about the 7 to 8 hours of screen on time. I didn't use any type of custom kernel. Again, it totally depends upon your usage. I don't use much or play games or like PUBG on this ROM, so it lasts me about 7 to 8 hours of screen on time. Talking about next is the root access. Yes, you can root this ROM. Your root will completely work in this ROM. As you can see that safety net check has been passed for payment apps like Google Pay and Paytm. And also let me show that the payment app I have enabled safety net for, that is Google Pay, works completely fine, super smooth, and yes, you can do every type of
Oh
transaction.
my god, it's the mad
Moving
bee.
towards the another app is the Paytm. Then yes, Paytm also works perfectly fine. You can easily transact, receive or send money without any issues. And yes, no issues were found. Talking about this ROM, then yes, this ROM is pretty smooth with some small type of updates, but also one of the major update is that of camera. So yes, this ROM can be used as a daily driver. As per now, I didn't face any type of bugs, and yes, it's pretty dope and super cool update. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, must hit that like button and also subscribe for more such video upcoming. Until then, peace out.